How about having your own villa in Karjat with unmatched amenities? Starting from the first, you have the lovely, amazing, beautiful view of Sahyadri Mountains, as you all can see. You see the lovely lawn area as well, and on this side you have the beautiful swimming pool. The lawn area is also quite huge. Now let's start with the living area. It's a 3-bedroom hall kitchen villa. We are in Karjat. Starting with the living area, it's quite huge and spacious because here on this side you have the living area. This side you have the dining area as well. The floor to ceiling height is also, as you can see, is very nice. Now coming to the first bedroom, on this side you have the first bedroom over here. On that side you have the space for wardrobe. As you all can see, the developer has beautifully made. You have the washroom attached to it. The beauty of this is that all the 3 bedrooms are having washroom attached, and plus you have a powder room as well. Come, let's have a look one by one. So on this side you have the powder room, as I said, and next to the powder room you have a kitchen. Now on the first floor we have another 2 bedrooms. Come, let's have a look at it. Coming on the first floor now, on my left and on my right you have both the bedrooms. Let's start with the right. You see the lovely bedroom over here, followed by the washroom which is attached to it, as I said earlier. Now another beauty is you have a running balcony over here. Amazing view again from the balcony as well. Let's have a look at the views over here. And from this side I am walking to another bedroom. So here is the 3rd bedroom, which also has a washroom attached to it. The washroom is on that side. You see, the developer has really made this very nice. Here you have the space for wardrobe. The floor to ceiling height is also nice. Plus the balcony with a view. What else you require in Karjat? For pricing, carpet area, we have different plot sizes, different carpet areas, 2, 3 and 4 BHK villas. Please get in touch with us. Kalpesh Thakkar from Vishnu Realtors. Thank you.